In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage groups in Jira through Atlassian Admin. If you need to manage permissions for an entire team instead of assigning access one user at a time, using groups is one of the easiest and most reliable ways to stay organized. It helps you keep access consistent, improves security, and makes future administration much faster. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to admin.atlassian.com. If you normally access Jira through your company's Atlassian site, you can also sign in from your standard Jira instance and navigate from there. Once the Atlassian administration homepage loads, look at the top navigation area and click on Settings. This is where you'll begin accessing the broader administration controls tied to your organization. After that, turn your attention to the left-hand sidebar. In that navigation panel, find and click User Management. This opens the centralized workspace where you can manage people, access, and organizational directories across your Jira environment. If you're responsible for multiple users or teams, this is an especially important area to become familiar with. Once you're inside user management, look again to the left side menu and click Groups. This section displays the existing groups already active in your environment, along with the structure used to organize permissions at scale. In the upper right corner of the page, click the blue Create Group button to open the group creation window. When the creation window appears, click into the group name field and enter a clear professional name for the new group. A good group name should be unique, descriptive, and easy for other administrators to understand at a glance. It's also a good idea to keep the name concise and under 65 characters. For example, a name like 2026 QA Automation Engineering Team follows a clean and consistent naming convention. Next, scroll slightly down to the description field. Here, enter a short explanation of what the group is for. This is where you can document which projects, products, access boundaries, or notification responsibilities the group is meant to support. A strong description can save time later and help prevent confusion when other admins review your setup. Once everything looks correct, go to the bottom right corner of the window and click Create. Jira will process the new group and take you to the Group Details page. From there, you can click Add Users to begin assigning people to the group and complete a final access review to make sure everything is configured the way you intended. That's it. You've now created a centralized group in Jira, making permission management cleaner, more scalable, and much easier to maintain. Thanks for watching, and I'll see